Venezuela, a land where nature's grandeur is on full display. It's a country that grabs you by the soul, captivating your senses and leaving an indelible mark on your heart. From the soaring Andes mountains, which stretch majestically into the sky, to the steamy, dense Amazon rainforest teeming with life, this place is a riot of natural wonders that will leave you breathless. You've got Caribbean beaches with crystal-clear waters, sprawling plains that seem to go on forever, and tabletop mountains that seem to defy gravity, standing tall and proud against the horizon. It's a land of stark contrasts and raw, untamed beauty, where every corner reveals a new and awe-inspiring landscape. And the people? They're as warm and welcoming as the tropical sun, always ready with a smile and a story to share. But forget the tourist brochures. We're going deeper, beyond the well-trodden paths. We're going to explore the real Venezuela, the one that thrives in its local markets, where traditional life continues undisturbed by the rush of modernity, the one that pulsates with life, music, and a spirit that's impossible to ignore. From the vibrant street music that fills the air to the local festivals that bring communities together in celebration, Venezuela is alive with energy. Buckle up, kids, this is going to be a wild ride. We're about to embark on an adventure that will take us through the heart of this incredible country, experiencing its wonders and uncovering its secrets. Caracas, the capital, is a city that never sleeps. As the sun sets, the city comes alive with a vibrant energy that pulses through its streets. The nightlife is a blend of music, laughter, and the constant hum of traffic, creating an atmosphere that is both exhilarating and intoxicating. Nestled in a valley and surrounded by majestic mountains, Caracas is a chaotic symphony of sights and sounds. The city's unique geography creates a stunning backdrop for its bustling urban life. From the crowded markets to the lively street performances, every corner of Caracas tells a story. Start your journey in Plaza Bolivar, the heart of the city. This historic square is named after Simon Bolivar, the liberator of Venezuela, and is surrounded by colorful colonial buildings that echo the city's rich past. This bustling square is a hive of activity, where locals and tourists mingle amidst street vendors and pigeons. The air is filled with the aroma of local delicacies, and the vibrant colors of the market stalls create a feast for the eyes. Take the cable car to the top of Avila Mountain for breathtaking views of the city. As you ascend, the sprawling metropolis unfolds beneath you, offering a unique perspective on the urban landscape. The sprawling metropolis stretches out before you, a concrete jungle juxtaposed against the lush green mountains. From this vantage point, you can truly appreciate the contrast between the natural beauty of the mountains and the urban sprawl of the city. At night, the city lights twinkle like a million fireflies, a mesmerizing spectacle. The twinkling lights create a magical ambiance, transforming the city into a glittering wonderland. It's a sight that captures the essence of Caracas, a city that is always alive, always vibrant, and always captivating. Next stop, Maracaibo. This vibrant city sits on the shores of Lake Maracaibo, a vast inland sea that connects to the Caribbean. The lake is a sight to behold, its surface shimmering under the tropical sun. Explore the historic center of Maracaibo, with its colonial architecture and charming plazas. Don't miss the iconic General Rafael Urdaneta Bridge, an engineering marvel that spans the lake's outlet to the sea. At night, the bridge lights up, creating a dazzling display of light that reflects on the water. Head to the Andes Mountains where you'll find Mérida, a city nestled in a high-altitude valley. Here, the air is crisp and clean and the scenery is simply breathtaking. Take a ride on the Mérida cable car, one of the highest and longest in the world. It's not for the faint of heart, but the views from the top are worth every bit of vertigo. For the adventurous, there's plenty of hiking, mountain biking, and rock climbing to be had in the surrounding mountains. Hold on tight as we venture into Los Llanos, the vast plains that stretch across western Venezuela. This is cowboy country, where cattle ranching is a way of life. Imagine endless grasslands, herds of cattle grazing in the distance, and the occasional caiman lurking in the water. Keep your eyes peeled for wildlife. Los Llanos is home to an incredible array of animals, including capybaras, giant anteaters, and anacondas. It's a wildlife lover's paradise. Prepare to be awestruck as we enter Canaima National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This vast expanse of rainforest, rivers and tabletop mountains known as tepuis is like something out of a fantasy novel. And then there's Angel Falls, the highest waterfall in the world. Plunging from the summit of Auyan Tepui, it's a sight that will leave you speechless. Take a boat trip to the base of the falls and feel the mist on your face. It's an experience you'll never forget. The Orinoco Delta, a labyrinth of life. Let's journey deep into the heart of the Orinoco Delta, a labyrinth of waterways, mangroves, and rainforest. This is a world teeming with life, from pink river dolphins to scarlet macaws. Explore the delta by boat, gliding through narrow channels and marveling at the biodiversity that surrounds you. Meet the indigenous Warao people who have called this delta home for centuries. Learn about their traditional way of life, their connection to the river, and their ancient stories. Margarita Island, sun, sand, and seafood. Time for some relaxation. Head to Margarita Island, a Caribbean paradise just off the coast of Venezuela. With its pristine beaches, crystal-clear waters, and duty-free shopping, Margarita is a popular destination for both Venezuelans and international tourists. Spend your days lounging on the beach, swimming in the warm waters, or exploring the island's charming towns. Don't forget to sample the local seafood. It's some of the freshest and tastiest you'll ever have. Mount Roraima. Journey to a lost world. This is a place where the earth meets the sky, a land shrouded in mystery and wonder. Mount Roraima stands as a sentinel of time, its sheer cliffs and flat summit creating an almost otherworldly presence. Our final adventure takes us to Mount Roraima, another one of those incredible tepuis. These ancient geological formations are some of the oldest on the planet, dating back over 2 billion years. The journey to this lost world is as challenging as it is rewarding. This time, we're talking about a sheer-sided tabletop mountain that seems to rise out of the clouds. Its unique shape has inspired countless legends and stories among the indigenous people who live in its shadow. Hiking to the top of Roraima is not for the faint of heart. The trail is steep and demanding, requiring both physical endurance and mental fortitude. Every step brings you closer to the sky, but also tests your limits. It's a challenging trek through dense jungle and across rocky terrain. The path is often slippery and treacherous, with the dense foliage adding to the difficulty. Yet, each obstacle overcome is a testament to the human spirit's resilience, but the rewards are more than worth it. Reaching the summit feels like a monumental achievement, a victory over nature's formidable challenges. The sense of accomplishment is palpable, and the views are a feast for the eyes. The views from the summit are simply breathtaking, with panoramic vistas of the surrounding rainforest and other tepuis in the distance. The horizon stretches endlessly, offering a glimpse into the vastness of our planet. It's like stepping onto another planet. The summit's unique landscape, with its strange rock formations and endemic flora, feels alien and surreal. It's a reminder of the incredible diversity and beauty that our world holds, waiting to be discovered. Venezuela. It's a country that stays with you long after you've left. From the vibrant cities to the untamed wilderness, it's a place that will ignite your senses and leave you with memories to last a lifetime. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, book your tickets, and get ready to experience the magic of Venezuela for yourself. Just be prepared for your world to be turned upside down.